conversation.
Yeah, like Happy Gilmore had his big like hockey stick, but is there a cricket bat?
Yeah.
Putter or something in Australia?
Cricket bat.
So the cricket bat is our favourite class.
Limp Bizkit rolling.
Limp Bizkit rolling.
What?
And that's actually got a golf edge to it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Not just a pretty face.
This or that. Hot dog or sausage roll?
Hot dog.
Hot dog.
Hot dog, man.
dog.
I'm with you guys.
Yeah.
All the chickens.
Hot
You don't
dog.
put sauce on it.
And mustard and tomato.
Oh.
Rick Astley or the Spice Girls?
I was doing the stop dance the other night when I was a big maggot. So I don't want to start it now.
Alright, movies. Caddyshack or Happy Gilmore?
Happy Gilmore. I mean, the Caddyshack's great, and there's going to be like lots of people going, oh, it's classic, but there's is there a
Yeah, that's
more
like
classic?
PG and an R-rated movie, right?
Have you be a rock star or pro golfer?
We're not rock stars, but if I could be a rock star, I'd probably be a rock star because you don't have to like work out and shit. Nowadays to be a golfer, unless you're John Daly. John Daly.
John Daly's
I mean
a
John
rock star,
Daly. He's a rock star and a golfer.
I'd want to chuck Ozzy Osbourne in there just in the mix because like, can you imagine him having a swing?
This is the person who putts. So, Walk Sharon.
Eminem, but back when he was on Tips and Fingers.
Yeah.
I do that guy that played E Honda in the movie Street Fighter with like Kylie Minogue and stuff. He was just like, yeah, he'd have a good drive on
Liam
him.
Gallagher would be funny because he'd have a parker on and he'd be trying to drive and get in the way.
Yeah.
So Liam Gallagher, E Honda from Street Fighter, Ozzy Osbourne,
And
Eminem
Kylie
when
Minogue
he
from
was-
Street Fighter.
and Kylie Minogue as well.
The first live gig you guys ever went to?
His is 50 Cent.
Get rich or die trying era.
Dan Parker or something.
Let us
Oh, I got
Criminals.
stoned.
Yeah.
And mine was Don Ho in Hawaii when I was 12. You won't know about Don Ho, but he was like a lounge
Don't know
singer
much
that
about
Elvis wanted to be.
Was he?
It's really bad. My parents were shit.
Jenny's Lager for
Mad.
sure.
Jenny's Lager. Yeah, the one by Young Henry.
Junie's Lager.
Yeah.
It's like refreshing, 10% colder than any other beer on the planet.
I've been looking for like popcorn and Cool Mints and shit.
Yep.
You know? It's like at the movies.
Rip it and
And teabag your mate.
Sip
Alright.
it. Is that still wrong?
Rip it and sip it.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
the Junie's. The Junie's Lager. Rip it and sip it.
Yeah.
Alright.
Ah, cheers, Frankie.
Cheers, And to the collab.
Yeah. I want to say it's been a long time coming.
Yeah, right.
Byron, Bird,